as you know, the Christmas is coming, so our today's drawing is related to that. We are going to draw snowman. So for that I'm using rounder and I'm drawing two circles, one big circle and one small circle. These two circles will overlap each other, and then you have to just erase this center circle. The line is coming in the center. Now we will draw the cap of the snowman. You can see I'm using some slant line and curves. And then what you have to do, you have to make a U shape, U curve for making that cap part, that Christmas cap. Now we will draw some scarf on the neck of the snowman. So for that again I'm using a curve line and some buttons for the circle, some circle for, and then we will draw the nose also like this and a smile. And at the side of it I'm drawing some you can say it's some part of the tree or some stamps, dried stamps you can call it, like this. Now we are going to outline it with the thick black marker. I'm outlining. You just have to outline whatever you draw with the pencil. You have to just trace it out with the marker pen. You can use sketch pen also. You can use the black sketch pen also. And you can see at the ball of the cap I'm using my thin marker and just putting some small dash lines to make it look like a fur. Okay, now I'm using my sketch pens or color markers to color this snow. One I'm using for the nose and red for the smile. Now again the cap we are going to fill it with the red color. You have to do the color in one direction and fill little space so that you don't get any white space in between and your color will look neat and clean. So you have to do little space and the coloring in one direction only. And I'm going to do this tree part with the brown, and we will add some colors in the scarf. For the scarf you can use any two colors, like choose any two colors. I have choose the combination of yellow and green. I'm filling them alternatively like this. So try this drawing, and if you like this video don't forget to subscribe my channel. Be connected with me.